Alright everyone, it is PWG back with another 3-trick trial. And today I'm joined by Mr. Haynes.
What's up?
And we also got Olle in the house. And we got Mr. Jose as well. If you didn't know, today is one day before the Swedish Championships. That's why we got these boys in the house. We are gonna do 3 easy tricks because we're gonna do a chill 3-trick trial today. We also have to mention that Hannes has been away for a while. We also have to mention that Olle is actually injured in his...
Hecka injured in my hip, dog. So listen up, man. I can't do much stuff, man, but it's gonna go fine, dude.
If you didn't know, 3-trick trial is me taking 3 different tricks and you're gonna have to make a combo with all these 3 tricks in the combo. So that's why we want easy suggestions so that we can use our minds to make a cool combo. So the 3 tricks will be
Eltat.
Oh, yeah.
Reverse toe bounce.
and clipper.
Oh, yeah.
So let's get started. Alright, ladies and gents, it's day 3. It is the day after the competition. Vilo is now the current Swedish champion, and since it's the day after, we can calmly have a freestyle meeting without having any pressure. So we are going to continue with the 3-trick trial.
Kör vi.
Jävlar vilka pallar du har.
Yes! Yes! Jävlar!
Alright, so that was it for this 3-trick trial with more people than usual, and that's why it took longer to film Oscar Ranik. That's why it took so long. Don't try to pun on me, you piece of shit. Remember to leave a like and a comment down below on what tricks I should do in the next one, and also who I should bring on the next 3-trick trial. And remember, give me easier tricks so that we have a large variety of tricks to do. So don't put Alt Palle, Alt Eldo, Luca Rev and shit like that, because it's just completely stupid, because I can't do that. So hope you enjoyed this video, and that's a cool team combo in the background. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.